There you go, Pato. He's finally down to sleep. Now you can get some sleep yourself.